Who says you can't cook like a pro in the wild? Meet the OZ Trail Camp Kitchen, your portable, all-in-one outdoor kitchen that brings home comfort to the campsite. Weighing just 13 kilograms, it folds flat yet unfolds into a full setup with a sink, cabinet, storage pockets, lantern holder, and even a spot for your kitchen towels. Need more space? The double pantry version adds 2 hanging cupboards and mesh pockets to keep your food and gear organized. And for serious campers, the deluxe edition takes it to the next level. A sturdy benchtop, drawer, double cupboard, and integrated sink for real cooking power on the go. Whether it's a quick weekend getaway or a long adventure, the OZ Trail Camp Kitchen makes outdoor cooking effortless, organized, and downright enjoyable. Floaty isn't just a tent, it's 3 incredible products in one. A tarp, a 2-person hammock, and a weatherproof tent, all combined into one genius design. Imagine lying side by side, completely flat, no more squeezing into the middle. Its M-shaped suspension keeps both people perfectly balanced and comfortable. The outer shell is built tough, scratch-resistant, laminated, and waterproof up to 5,000 millimeters. Inside, there's room to sit upright, stash your gear, and stay cozy no matter the weather. Setup takes just minutes. 2 stakes, 2 lines, and you've got a stable, weather-ready shelter anywhere. No trees? No problem. The optional aluminum tripod stand under 2 pounds lets you camp even on open ground. It even comes with a Firefly air cushion that doubles as a seat or pillow. All that comfort, all that versatility, and it weighs just 2.2 kilograms. This is the future of outdoor comfort, redefined by Floaty. Want to turn every campsite into a showstopper? Meet Packfire, the foldable fire pit that fits in a backpack, yet performs like a full-size beast. It folds completely flat, sets up in seconds, and locks firmly into place, ready to burn hotter, cleaner, and brighter than ever. Its 17-inch burn chamber fits full 16-inch logs, giving you a powerful, even heat all around. Thanks to its smart airflow system, Packfire pulls in fresh air from below and recycles it at the top, creating a secondary burn that cuts smoke and keeps your fire steady and strong. No more coughing over smoke, just pure warmth and beautiful flames. When it's time to go, cleanup's a breeze. The ashtray releases with one button, no mess, no fuss. Lightweight, weather-resistant, and unbelievably portable, Packfire isn't just a fire pit, it's your next-level campfire experience. Meet the Gonex 2, the portable propane stove that turns any campsite into a gourmet kitchen. With 2 powerful burners, you can boil water on one side while frying up breakfast on the other, all at the same time. Each burner has independent flame control, giving you total command over your cooking heat. It includes 2 cast iron grill grates for searing perfection and a non-stick Teflon griddle for those golden pancakes or perfect eggs. Built to handle extreme temperatures, it's tough, durable, and a breeze to clean. No matches? No problem. It lights instantly with piezo ignition. Weighing just 6.6 pounds, it folds compactly to fit in your pack and comes with a built-in handle for easy carrying. Cook smarter, faster, and anywhere. That's the Gonex 2 magic. 1 item, 3 functions. Meet the Hay Box, the ultimate space-saving upgrade for your SUV, truck, or van. It transforms instantly into a bed, a table, or a storage unit, giving you unlimited ways to rest, work, or organize on the go. At 6 feet long and 24 inches wide, it's big enough for full comfort, yet weighs just 25 pounds total. Built with precision, it supports up to 250 pounds and fits sleeping pads up to 78 by 26 inches. The height adjusts from 8 to 14 inches in half-inch steps, so uneven floors, bumpy cargo areas, or sloped seats? No problem at all. Each leg locks firmly in place, no wobble, no fuss. The top panel flips into a table or extends out your tailgate for the perfect outdoor setup. Whether it's camping, overlanding, or just smart van life living, the Helibox is the genius modular system that turns every inch of your vehicle into usable space. Meet the Vault 3, the ultimate backpack built for creators, travelers, and everyday adventurers. With two main compartments and an expandable third, it keeps your gear perfectly organized no matter what you pack. Inside, a customizable board system offers 12 layouts across 3 sizes, large, medium, and small, so you can design your setup exactly how you want. Add the modular kit with a molly board, padded camera cube, and tech or toiletry kits, and you've got a full-on mobile workstation. It opens flat at 180 degrees, giving you instant access to everything inside. Need more room? Just expand the back section or stash wet gear in the sealed pocket to keep things dry. On the outside, attach your tripod, tent, or jacket with the bottom straps, and store your bottle in the magnetic sleeve that folds flat when not in use. Hidden pockets, quick access zips, and a padded laptop sleeve for up to 16 inches. The Vault 3 is organization, durability, and genius design in one. What if your tent could defy freezing weather? Meet the Polarmon tent, a revolutionary 4-in-1 sleeping system built to conquer the coldest extremes, down to -30 degrees Celsius. It combines your tent, sleeping bag, insulation mat, and vapor barrier into one perfectly engineered setup. The secret lies in its airtight lining, advanced insulation, and adjustable airflow system that work together to trap warmth, block out moisture, and shield you from brutal wind, rain, and snow. Inside, it's surprisingly spacious, giving you room to stretch, turn, and even store your essentials like clothes, gloves, or gadgets. Whether you're enduring icy nights or sudden heat, its smart ventilation keeps the climate perfectly balanced. Open the vents to cool down, close them to lock in heat. No matter how wild the weather gets, the Polarmon tent creates your own warm, controlled bubble of comfort in the middle of nature's chaos. Turn your car into a luxury hotel suite on wheels? The TED Pop rooftop tent expands effortlessly with 2 sliding panels, creating enough space to sleep up to 5 people in total comfort. Setup is a breeze. Thanks to gas strut bars, it practically opens itself. With 2 doors for easy access and windows on every side, you'll enjoy stunning views from any direction, even a ceiling window for magical nights under the stars. The breathable canvas body keeps air flowing while blocking sun and rain, and a fly sheet adds extra shade. Inside, a 3-layer insulated shell and closed cell insulation keep you warm, dry, and cozy no matter the weather. The aerodynamic shape cuts down wind noise on the road, while the aircraft-grade aluminum honeycomb base delivers strength without weight. Add a 2.5-inch foam mattress for hotel-like comfort, and even attach an annex room that stands tall on its own. The TED Pop isn't just a tent, it's freedom, luxury, and adventure in one incredible package. Lost in the wilderness, the Airmarker R1 could be the one thing that saves your life. This incredible rescue device launches a bright orange balloon up to 45 meters into the air, making you instantly visible from miles away, day or night. The balloon shines with reflectors and a built-in light, staying aloft for up to 3 days. With just a simple trigger, its helium cartridges inflate the balloon in seconds. No tools needed. It's ultra-light, under 2 pounds, and compact enough to fit in your backpack, yet powerful enough to guide rescuers straight to you. Designed and built in Switzerland, the Airmarker R1 is made for hikers, climbers, and explorers who go beyond the beaten path. When every second matters, this isn't just a gadget, it's your lifeline in the sky. Meet the Outtask TD2, the lantern that's built for adventure. Compact yet powerful, it folds down to just 10 inches, but extends to over 36 inches tall when you need it most. Its 360-degree rotating head and adjustable pole light up every angle around you, from campgrounds to car repairs. With brightness from 40 to 500 lumens, it lasts an incredible 65 hours on low and still delivers 6.5 hours on high before saving power automatically. And that's not all. It packs a massive 12,000 milliamp hour battery, turning into a power bank to charge your phone or gadgets with 18-watt fast charging. Stick it anywhere with its magnetic base, or fold it up and toss it in your bag. At just 720 grams, its pure portability meets performance. The Outtask TD2, small size, huge power, total freedom.